I'm Sarah.
Hey there, I'm Brian.
And this is Exploring with Sarah and Brian.
Come join us on our adventures.
Lots of food.
And hiking and coasters.
And so much more. You gotta watch.
Enjoy the ride. So, for the past several years, a really good buddy of mine, Brandon, he has been running a haunted house in his backyard.
And he works super hard on it.
Yeah, he's been putting increasing amounts of effort every year. And so this is the last year that he's actually doing it in his backyard. Brandon and Derek are looking at, getting an investor and basically going public and finding a building or something like that to go commercially with it. So, but this is the final year that he's doing it in his backyard. Check it out. He's done a really good job now.
It's amazing.
It is really awesome, and it's pretty long, unfortunately, because it's so dark. We can only show you some snippets that you might actually see something.
Yeah.
So, but enjoy what we got.
Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button and enjoy us going through the haunted house.
Yes, and also check out my buddy's channel, Theme Park Predictions. It'll be in the description box below. Give him a thumbs up and a subscribe. Mm-hmm. He has POVs of his previous year's haunted houses. And then also a lot of his content is about theme parks, what his opinions about rides that are currently existing and rides that may come to fruition in the future. So check out his channel as well.
Check it out.
We are at the haunting at Riverwood. Let's do a little POV, y'all.
Oh my goodness.
Nice. Spooky spiderweb room here. Oh, that spider jumps out at y'all. Very nice. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. They custom made this with some plaster and whatnot. Very neat. Very neat, y'all. Let's keep on going.
Time to float.
So creepy in here.
Look at this.
Take a look at that, y'all. Good Lord.
Oh, there's something over here.
Got Annabelle hanging out. So creepy in here, y'all.
Left or right?
You gonna go right? I'm gonna go left. Let's see what this is all about. Some more creepy candles. Y'all can't see it, but this dude looks like E.T. Man, it is creepy and dark in here, man.
Yeah. The effects are so cool, though.
Yeah, my buddy has done an awesome job in here.
The last time he's doing a backyard haunt, so he's going to be doing a bigger haunt.
They're trying to find an investor. I wish them well, because they got something special going on up in here. So, yeah, they got potential.
What is this?
I don't know. Check it out. Check it out.
What is it?
I don't know. We got some body bags going up in here.
Right, last time. I'm going to go left. I'm a little disoriented. I got to hold on to the walls. Freddy Krueger.
Freddy Krueger hanging out here.
There's a clown.
What's up, bro? How you doing? You like our videos? I think he likes our videos.
I think so too.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he likes our videos a lot.
Look at this with the...
Oh, that is so creepy. So there's some fog coming down from the ceiling? Nice. Very nice. Fog coming down. Creepy lighting.
I ran into the wall.
Good job, baby.
I didn't notice that last time.
Oh, yeah. They didn't have that effect going last time. We got some more strobe lights.
Yeah.
Got some bloody curtains.
Bloody sheets.
Yo, we got this
Left or
rave
right?
going on here.
So I'm guessing right.
I'm gonna go to the left. Why not?
Look,
Yep.
look at that guy.
Some more bloody curtains. You got this creepy looking dude here. Y'all can see that? There you go. Keep on going through. Got this dude reaching out into the hallway.
And look at, what is this?
What? Oh, yeah, what is going on here? Hold on, we got this creepy bro right here. Got this swampy area, man.
Is there something underneath?
I don't know. Maybe there is. Maybe there isn't. You never know. You have no idea. It's creepy. Room full of heads.
Oh, we made it!
We survived the haunted house, man. As I said, he did a really good job in the haunted house. Yeah, you liked it?
I did. It was so cool. I always love seeing the new effects that he adds. Annabelle.
Yeah.
He is crazy.
Creepy dolls.
Yeah.
And he's added even more creepy dolls than in previous years.
Yeah, it was very cool.
Absolutely.
And the spider. I really like the spider.
Oh, yes, definitely. There were some long, creepy, like, meandering, narrow hallways that just really kind of messed with you. Like, what am I going to come across next? Like, what's going to be there next?
We hope you like us going through the haunted house, and give our friend's channel a like, and thank you so much for watching, and give us a comment.
Yeah, and also hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.